Hi, I'm Chris Schultz, Chair of the Abington Board of Health and your host for the Health Department Roundtable. We have a short episode this week. Both Marty Golightly and Lindsay Wright are not joining us as they're pretty wiped out after a very successful vaccination clinic at the Senior Center today. So I wanted to speak briefly about that. Unfortunately, I don't have any update on numbers, although I'm happy to report that we are still trending in a more or less positive direction. Um, so we held our second clinic today for the 75 and older population in Abington. And I want to say there were about 50 people that were vaccinated today. It is super impressive to see the hard work of both our health department, working in conjunction with the Abington Fire Department and the Abington Police Department, and making sure that everybody is okay, getting shots in arms, and getting everybody safely back home again. And a big thank you to the Council on Aging for all their help. Um, for those out there that have not had an appointment yet or vaccinated, I just want to reiterate what we've been saying all along is there are two factors that prevent us from being able to move as rapidly as we would like to with vaccinations. And the first is the state's phasing. So currently, we are only authorized to vaccinate people 75 or older. The next phase is going to be 65 and older, but there is not a definite timetable on when that will begin. And the other limiting factor is the number of vaccines that we are given. I think currently we are being allotted somewhere in the neighborhood of 100 per week, even though we have the capability here in Abington to be doing upwards of 1,500 to 1,700 vaccinations a week. And that's just running one or two clinics. So we definitely have the capability. We definitely have the desire. I can tell you, I was at the clinic today and seeing our guys working hard. Everybody was very happy. They were enjoying themselves, and the fact that we are able to save lives, get people healthy, and allow these senior citizens some time with their family again in the near future. So a big kudos to everybody that was involved, and we will be rolling it out as soon as we can. So for those of you who are trying to get shots, if you're 75 or older, the governor just released a hotline today. If you call 211, you can make appointments at the mass vaccination sites. For us, we are currently booked and we have a waiting list. As soon as we are able to move to a new phase or we have openings, the health department will be sending out a constant contact. That information will also be on our social media, the Abington Mass Board of Health Facebook page. I believe the town of Abington Facebook page has been publishing stuff. And of course, on our town website, which is abingtonma.gov. So we will be getting the message out. If you have any questions on signing up for Constant Contact, you can do that through the website as well, or check our Facebook page for links to that. So that's really all I have for today. I want to remind people that if you have specific questions you'd like to see us address on these roundtables, please feel free to reach out to us either through email or you can contact us through our Facebook pages. And if you submit questions, we will do our best to address them. So thank you again to our health department for their hard work. Thank you to Abington CAM for giving us an opportunity to speak more directly with you on a regular basis. And keep wearing a mask, keep washing your hands, and stay safe. We will see you next week. Thank you.